The truth about a whiter smile. It's more than just looks. Have you ever noticed how a bright smile can change someone's entire appearance? It's not just about aesthetics. It's about confidence, first impressions, and even your oral health. A white smile signals good hygiene and can boost your professional image. But here's the truth. Many people don't realize that over-the-counter products may whiten, but they don't treat the root causes of discoloration. Want a safe, lasting result? Professional teeth whitening or custom at-home trays from a licensed dentist make a real difference. Your smile is worth the investment. Don't let stains from coffee, wine, or smoking hide your brilliance. Let's bring that confident smile back to life. Your oral health is a mirror to your overall health. Did you know that gum disease has been linked to heart conditions, diabetes, and even stroke? Your mouth is the gateway to your body. And taking care of it isn't just about fresh breath or pearly whites. It's about your life. Daily brushing, flossing, and regular dental visits can prevent serious complications down the road. Don't ignore that bleeding when you floss or that sensitivity to cold drinks. These little signs could be early warnings. Be proactive, not reactive. Because you deserve more than just a clean smile. You deserve a healthy future. Stop scrolling. Here's how to whiten your teeth naturally and safely. We all want that movie star smile. But did you know harsh DIY methods can damage your enamel and gums? Before you reach for baking soda, lemon juice, or charcoal, hear this. Enamel doesn't grow back. Instead, try oil pulling with coconut oil, eating crunchy fruits like apples, and using fluoride toothpaste. And of course, nothing beats a professional whitening treatment that's designed for your mouth's unique needs. A bright smile is great, but a healthy smile? That's priceless. Time's catching up with your teeth, but you can reverse it. Aging is natural. Stained teeth? Not necessarily. Over time, enamel thins, exposing the yellow dentin beneath. But that doesn't mean you're stuck with a dull smile forever. Professional whitening, proper dental hygiene, and even veneers can turn back the clock. You've worked hard all your life. Your smile should show success, not stress. Talk to your dentist about how to rejuvenate your smile and regain that youthful glow. It's not too late to shine. What dentists wish you knew about teeth whitening. It's not just about making your teeth look whiter. It's about doing it safely. Whitening strips and online hacks can sometimes cause permanent damage to your enamel. But professional-grade whitening treatments are customized for your teeth, reducing sensitivity and delivering real, lasting results. If you're considering brightening your smile, make sure you're doing it with science, not shortcuts. Your future self will thank you. A clean smile is a confident smile. The dental routine that changes everything. Want to know the real secret to a great smile? It's not just brushing, it's brushing with purpose. Use a soft bristle brush, brush at a 45-degree angle, and don't forget your tongue. Flossing isn't optional either. It's the only way to clean between teeth. Finish with a fluoride rinse to protect enamel and kill lingering bacteria. Do this every day and you'll not only have a whiter smile, but you'll avoid cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. Show your smile the love it deserves. Say goodbye to yellow teeth. For good, tired of hiding your smile in pictures. Yellow teeth are often caused by plaque buildup, dietary habits, and aging. But with the right care, regular dental cleanings, avoiding staining drinks, and using whitening toothpaste, you can reclaim your smile. For deep stains, consider professional whitening or veneers for dramatic transformation. The best part? A brighter smile can make you look younger and feel unstoppable. Don't settle for less than your best. The psychology of smiling. Why whitening your teeth changes how people see you. Studies show that people with white teeth are perceived as more confident, successful, and trustworthy. Think about job interviews, first dates, or even social media. Your smile is your silent ambassador. When you whiten your teeth, you're not just improving your look, you're changing how people react to you. So if you're looking to boost your personal brand, start with your teeth. It's a small change that creates big impact. What really happens? During a professional teeth whitening, you've heard about it, maybe you've even considered it. But what actually happens in the chair during a professional whitening session? First, your dentist will apply a protective barrier to your gums. Then, a hydrogen peroxide gel is applied to your teeth and activated with a special light. In just 1 hour, your smile can be up to 8 shades lighter. Best of all, it's safe, comfortable, and incredibly effective. Ready to glow? A whiter smile. More than just looks. A bright smile boosts confidence, makes great first impressions, and reflects good hygiene. Ditch the cheap strips. Professional whitening gives you safe, lasting results. Your smile is your power. Don't hide it. Show it. Your mouth. The window to your health. Gum disease is linked to heart problems, stroke, and diabetes. Brushing and flossing isn't just for fresh breath. It could save your life. Don't ignore the signs. Your smile deserves full body protection. For more information about dental care, check out the link in the description, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next video.